cold and rainy day, I think we can still be happy and fashionable. What do you think? My dear friends, to brighten up my day, my mood and my look, I picked out a white military jacket and paired it with my light grey jeans and black heeled boots. My accessories? Besides my boots that I love, a dark brown white leather belt and a coordinated brown checkered scarf. With a white handbag, my city chic and versatile look is complete. My hair is in a high back ponytail, so that my scarf and collar can show. This look is perfect for day or even evening. You can run errands in it, or even go for a night out in town. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe, as I will pick a dear subscriber and feature you here. Bye now!